What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping here for the first time, this is about to be probably one of the best videos you could land on this channel on. If you enjoy this content at any time, feel free to get down there and click subscribe. We just hit 50,000 subscribers, which is awesome. Completely unreal. I can't thank you guys for your support, and this is probably the best videos to film, just hitting the 50,000 subscriber mark. We're gonna jump right to it. This is the point of this video. I just got the rendering back a couple hours ago. Alright guys, I literally just filmed this video, but I realized that my mic on my ADD here was not plugged in all the way, so I only had left channel sound. So don't want to really go through, edit that, and post that, so I'm just going to refilm that here. I just want to give a shout to the Truck Guru marketing and design team. Awesome customer service. They really knocked it out of the park, not only on the rendering, but interaction between me and them to get this build and this rendering made. There's little things I was like, well, can you tweak that? Can you put this color on the tow hook, stuff like that. He hooked it up, sent me back the finalized copy, and it was just awesome experience. So I'm gonna give him a shout, just say thanks. And I also want to inform you guys, if you want, like I said, I was looking at all companies across Instagram, and popped for me, and the one day I was scrolling and it said holiday sale $275. I said, sign me up. So that's how I went and I ordered up my rendering then, because it was $275, not the normal $400. And if you guys are looking for a rendering to get done between now and the end of the month, he's running a $275 sale. So if you want, I'll leave a link at the top of the description. Just as me saying thanks, if you guys want to check them out, go for it. $275, save you some money on a rendering. Thank you to him, getting that done. Just awesome experience, and I'm glad I took advantage of that sale. Without further ado, are you guys ready to see the Daytona build? So if you guys at any point, as soon as you see me put the picture right here, obviously there's no picture here for me to show you, so I'll be looking at my phone and we could talk about this build. But if you guys think this thing's gonna be awesome, shoot this video a thumbs up, and I hope my mental creation has gotten my viewers to a point to be like, bro, I gotta tell my friend, my dad, my cousin, dude, we're all gonna watch this go down, because that would be awesome. But like I said, if you guys like the look of it, or I can at least convince you to like the look of it, let me know. Let me know your opinion in the comments below as this goes down. But let me know your opinions after I explain some things, because then you will understand why I picked certain things and certain sizes of certain items. So here we go. Without further ado, I'm going to take up the entire screen here first and show you guys my new build. Alright guys, yes, looking at that looks ridiculous, and that's awesome. But let's start off with the color. Yes, we picked, or I will be picking once I put the order in, because after I film this, edit this video, I'm going to fill out all my forms and send it in and get that, all my parts paid for and stuff like that. Like I said, we picked Illusion Purple, green and purple. On Instagram and stuff, I'm getting Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle names. I'm getting Barney, and you know what? That's awesome, because everyone's going to be at the at the end of the day when this truck build is done, and on Instagram when it just starts getting sent to a whole different, all those truck pages and stuff, and people be like, man, Barney, look at that, 6'7" lamb turned into Barney. But that's awesome. I just love that kind of stuff. So not Barney, but like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just love how people can like joke about a build because it looks awesome. It's just We went with 26 by 14. Yes, I did say 26. Give me a moment to explain. 26 by 14 RBP forged Mojave wheels. and the whole wheel is going to be illusion purple and milled. Some of you are going to be like, oh, 26 inches, I'm out. But let me explain. So right now I have 22s on my truck. I didn't want to do 22s again, and not only because of that, but like I'm going to a 40-inch tire that I'll talk about in a second. I didn't want 22s and 24s. There's a lot of people rolling on 4s, whether they're leveled or not. Dolph rolls on 4s, you know, 4s on the Mercedes. That's major. But we're gonna one up young Dolph here, and we're gonna go to 6s. Well, we're doing 26-inch wheels, 14 wide. Not only is it for me, because I'm not like, oh man, yeah, I want 26-inch wheels forged. Yeah, no. I want to show you guys the whole process. So you see all these SEMA trucks rolling on Instagram, YouTube, you know, recaps from SEMA, recaps from Daytona. You see these giant trucks, and I want to show you how it can be done, how you can do it too. And that's part of this channel, is I want to show you guys that you can do this too. You can follow dreams, you could build, you can do you. So 26 is, like, I went to SEMA last year, 26 is on 38s. That looked awesome. So 26 is on 40s. I mean, I saw those there too. There's actually a Chevy 2500 on 26s and 40s. I could not stop looking at it. It was the perfect setup, in my opinion. To you, you might think it's too much wheel, not enough tire. But I hope by the end of this build, you'll be like, that actually looks pretty good. That's why I went with 26, 14 wide, because I do not want to stretch the tire. That is not a approved, you know, like, I'm pretty sure it's not DOT approved, but they make approved tire and, you know, rim wheel widths for a reason, and I don't want to stretch the tires. I want to daily this truck, and I want approved wheel sizes with the tires that I'm running. Back to tires, we are running a 40-15-50 Fury Country Hunter MT. We're going with the Furies. Everyone runs them. Now, obviously my custom grill is there already, and then you move to the bumpers. I personally picked bodyguard bumpers, as you can see, for the depth they have. They're not just flat panels. You'll see that they'll come out and go in, and the little, you know, with the light bars are those black section. There's depth to those too. You can run a second light bar up there. If you do a second light bar, it just looks a little much. It's a little out there. We could still do it. The bumper just, you know, we'll just have to order it like that. I don't know which way I'm ordering it yet. I'm probably gonna run single light bars, cubes, front and rear, Rough Country Black Series, obviously. So they have a black face, and they, you know, they just look awesome in the bumper. And then suspension. Suspension is probably the wildest part of it. There's certain things I'm gonna have to, that has nothing to do with the lift part of it, but there's certain little cool little things I'm gonna add. You'll see that'll be awesome, that I might have to work with Ben's brother to fabricate some brackets for. So we can get some things to also work along with this lift kit I'm putting on. Rolling Big Power makes a max altitude lift kit that is a 12 to 14 inch lift. I mean, it's awesome. I saw them at SEMA, but the problem with the 14-inch lift is they can clear 42-inch tires. I'm running 40s, so the 14-inch lift like pretty much swallows those 40s. They make them look so small almost, unless you have 16 wides with like spacers. I don't want to run 16 wides, and I don't want to run spacers. So working with Rolling Big Power and, you know, making it happen, we were making me a custom max altitude lift, 10 to 12 inch lift, so it's adjustable. People are like, oh, how do you have an adjustable lift on not a Chevy? How are you going to do this? Pretty much converting all four corners to Fox 2.5 coilovers. So no more coil springs in the rear, no more coil springs up front. Coilover all the way around. Also Fox 2.0 helper shocks. So that will be awesome. And Fox 2.0 steering stabilizers. It's gonna look sharp. 4-link conversion up front. So we're gonna do a coilover conversion, a 4-link conversion. So no more radius arm. It's just gonna look and drive awesome. These coilover kits are made to haul. They're made to tow. They're made to, you know, pull your toys on the weekend and go to the show and the mall during the week. I'm saying, man, it's gonna ride awesome. It's gonna be able to handle everything I put at it. So I'm super excited to throw that max altitude lift on my truck. With the 40s and the 10-inch lift, which I will probably set at 11 or 12. Make sure there's no rubbing. Gearing, rear end. I kind of want to run it with the factory gearing because I mean it's a 6-speed, so if I'm on the highway and I'm like way under, I could put it in 5th gear. So I kind of want to run it with the new pedal commander, the tuning. I think we'll do just fine with the 40s, but obviously I will eventually re-gear and either throw 410s, 430s, or 456s in my rear and front ends. I kind of want to just get it out of the way, get it done, don't even worry about it. But I also want to kind of see how the 40s handle on stock gearing, because I mean it's not an auto trans, so you know I'm picking whatever gear it needs to be in. It's not constantly shifting, so we will see. But I just want to re-gear, get out of the way as well. So we'll see how that goes. We're doing an awesome truck. As I said, we're going to tie in the black axles with the black bumper, the black grill, the purple with the purple wheels, a lot of things. If I do interior leather, we're going to tie it in, we're going to tie it in with the suspension and other stuff as well. So, there's a lot to do between now and June. So, like I said, the wheels and lift's about a month to be made. It's made to order, and the wheels are, about a month and a half to 2 months out. You think you're like, oh man, till June, it's only January. But from a builder standpoint, it's like, okay, where's my parts? Like, we're coming to crunch time. Like I said, people don't realize that that's a huge part of these builds, is that it's not like yeah, I'll take those, and then you take the box and you go home with it. Everything you order for these giant like SEMA Daytona truck everything is made to order. Powder coating, you got to get the suspension powder coated. You got to get the wheels powder coated. If you want to get your wheels custom painted, you get them custom painted. There's lead times and all this. So that's what's awesome, is I'm going to show you guys the whole process through this and bring you guys along with it. And if you guys haven't been here before, I will be doing pretty much 99% of the work myself. There's certain things like I said, re-gearing. Never done it, don't exactly have the tooling for it, so we may have to, I do have a couple people that would be able to assist if they are available. Like extending a drive shaft. I physically, my front drive shaft, you're supposed to get it extended with a lift like this. I can't extend a drive shaft. I don't have the parts or tooling to do so. So stuff like that I can't do, but like the lifts, wheels, all this stuff, painting, we will be doing that all, and you guys will be following along on the channel. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are excited, and I'm thrilled to reveal this build to you guys, and I hope you guys like it. That's my vision. That's what I had for a while. I saw those Mojave wheels, and I'm like, oh, just awesome. So I'm excited. I can't wait. By June, this thing's gonna be like, I've had a few people on Instagram who already live in Columbus. They're like, dude, I'm going to see that thing on the highway. I'm going to be like, so it's like, send me rollers, because I'm going to need some. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. We hit 50,000 subscribers. I hope to be by June. Maybe this family can grow to like 100,000 by June and this build is done. That would be ideal. That would be awesome. So thank you guys for watching. Share if you guys think this build is going to be awesome. Like it if you think this build is going to be awesome. And subscribe if you haven't been here before and you think this build is going to be awesome, / you are an extreme hater about it, and you're still interested in seeing how it turns out. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Let's get this build underway. See you guys.